Started. Oke. Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let's pray together to begin our class. Let's begin.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much for your coming. And where is Miss Mela, Miss?
Now, go back from office and then after that, I don't know. Maybe she can attend the class.
Yeah. She hasn't sent message to me. Perhaps later on. And let's get started. Nah, ini your request about idiom. Nah, idiom ini adalah kata gaulnya dari orang-orang, biasanya orang-orang UK, orang British. Kalau yang Amerika biasanya slang namanya, slang language. Nah, di sini ini idiom itu tidak formal. Ibaratnya kata-katanya tidak formal. Jadi untuk sesama teman, kolega, atau santai lah, tidak secara formal. Nah, di sini saya hanya memilih kata-kata, I only focus on the word for lifestyle vocabularies, karena I think it's lifestyle vocabulary that is familiar for our life. So, this one, those categories, as an example, life beyond. Life beyond, it means spend more money than earn money. Menghabiskan lebih banyak uang daripada mendapatkan uang itu sendiri. Dan itu bisa dikenal dengan pemborosan uang gitu, atau hura-hura kalau di Indonesia. Spend money maksudnya waste money. Lebih banyak membuang-buang uang untuk hal-hal yang tidak berguna. Kalau ini well and woo adalah good and bad time. Nah, before we gonna continue well and woo, you get it for this meaning?
Yes, I get it.
Okay,
yeah,
can you
just
give an example? Bisa berikan contoh in sentence? Coba berikan contoh, Miss.
I think Gen Z nowadays is life beyond.
Okay, is life beyond. Okay. Tapi ingat ya, Miss. Ingat perbedaan dengan life and live. Kalau live ini verb-nya. Karena live pakai F itu noun. Berarti kalau bisa ini jadikan verb.
So it's life, not live.
Ya. Tadi Miss bilang live kan?
Ya,
Karena
life,
di sini ya live. Jadi yang benar live beyond.
Oh,
gitu.
live.
Ya live. Life itu kehidupan. Karena live kayak gini.
Ini Miss contohnya live, jadi aku ngomong live.
Ya, sorry. Jadi gini, live sama live itu beda. Jadi kalau misalkan tadi sesuai dengan kalimatnya Miss tadi, itu berarti Miss bilang live kehidupan ini. Bukan live beyond.
Yeah.
I think it's more and more wealthy people are more likely to live beyond.
Live beyond.
Gitu contohnya. Artinya spend more money and earn more money. And well and woo, good and bad time. Artinya baik dan ibaratnya keadaan baik dan buruk sama-sama. Well and woo bisa dikatakan sebagai sama rata. Jadi misalkan persecutors prefer to judge people and they do crime like well and woo. Artinya sama-sama dia menganggap bahwa baik buruk itu sama aja, gak ada nilai yang lebih kayak gitu. Nah di sini well and woo ini sering digunakan untuk orang-orang yang menganggap sepele keadaan. Masih belum memahami yang ini?
Maybe can you please give me another example?
Oke. Wait ya. Sinyalnya agak di.
Well, and I mean it's quite new for me. I never heard that before.
Oke. Ini salah satu expression untuk good and bad time. Artinya joys and sorrow. Tahu joys, kesenangan dan keburukan. Ibaratnya, contohnya, let me give you an example. We all get our share of well and woe in life. Kita semua mendapatkan our share of well and woe. Artinya kita mempunyai pembagian yang sama antara baik dan buruk di dunia ini. Kayak gitu. Daripada bilang baik dan buruk, baik itu well, dan buruknya adalah woe. Kayak gitu.
Okay.
Oke, the next adalah go round in circle. Pasti ini juga sering go round in circle to keep doing about the same time. I mean the same thing without making progress. Artinya sama aja. Stagnan kayak gitu ya. Go round in circle. Ini sering. Gitu.
Oh, it seemed like procrastination.
Ya, ibaratnya dia tidak berpindah gitu. Dia tetap stagnan, melakukan hal yang sama aja setiap hari tanpa ada perubahan. Kayak gitu.
Yeah.
Can you give an example?
Run in circles. I think my life run in circles.
I don't think so. Okay.
Really, okay, yeah. It's hard being an adult.
You haven't found new progress. Just wait for your progress. Okay, the next adalah
I don't know. I think like go run in circles, just so every day doing activities like okay, bite the bullet.
Okay, bite the bullet. To do or accept something difficult or unpleasant. Ibaratnya dia itu melakukan sesuatu yang tidak dia sukai. Gitu, bite the bullet. Daripada bilang don't like atau dislike, bisa bilang ini bite the bullet. She commit the crime is like bite and bullet, bite the bullet kayak gitu. Jadi dia melakukan kejahatan tanpa dia memikirkan baik dan buruknya, dan dia merasa sulit melakukan kejahatan itu karena dipaksa, mungkin oleh ibunya atau gimana. Jadi bite and bullet bisa diibaratkan dia itu melakukan sesuatu yang tidak dia suka. Can you give an example?
How to pronounce bullet or bullet?
Bite itu kayak misalkan kalau di bahasa.
Not the bite. I mean the bullet. Bullet or bullet? How to pronounce it?
Ya, let me check it karena ada dua nih ininya, pronounce-nya. Tinggal Miss bikinnya yang.
I'm not sure.
US apa yang ini? Bullets ya. Ada yang ngomong ballet, tapi ini yang bisa yang apa familiar adalah bullet.
Why to put or something difficult?
Can you give an example?
I think I don't know, Miss. Something difficult or unpleasant. Sometimes when I should do something that I dislike. It's like bite the bullet for me. Is that right?
Boleh, boleh.
Bite the bullet.
Okay, the next. Rolling Stone.
Rolling Stone.
Moving place to place without staying long. Nah, ibaratnya dia tuh sukanya berpindah-pindah tempat, like Rolling Stone.
Rolling Stone.
Dia ibaratnya sering berpindah-pindah tempat.
Nomaden lah ya.
Ya, nomaden. My boss prefer to move another places like Rolling Stone. Can you give an example?
What is it? Rolling Stone. I think back then I prefer go somewhere to go from one place to other place like Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone from one place to other place.
Oke, bisa ini. Jadi Rolling Stone itu bisa dikatakan yang katanya Miss tadi, dia suka berpindah-pindah tempat. Okay, can you make it again your story and choose at least three sentences, three idioms that you are appropriate with those idioms. Kayak kemarin, choose your story based on yours and choose 3 idioms at least. I give you 1 minute to prepare.
What should I prepare? Okay.
As at the time, you may prepare. Start from now on.
Oh, start from now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I prepare first. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Yeah, you may speak.
So, guys, start answering.
Yeah.
Challenging, yeah. When I was a kid, my parents prefer Rolling Stone from our hometown to other city, and I think at that time they quite young marriage, so they live beyond, and then sometimes there is an obstacles that happen, and then and the problem is like well and for them. And okay, I think it's 3 already. And that's the story. Sorry. Is that still going? I don't know.
Continue. Tadi apa? Rolling Stone. Oke, udah.
Yeah, Rolling Stone and Live Beyond and and Live Beyond Live. Yeah, and then what? At that time they're quite young marriage. That's why they live like they chose to live beyond, and sometimes they face the problem through their relationship, and I think it's well and wolf for them. Okay, I think it's fine.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Yeah. Voice unfamiliar.
Don't forget, you tell your story in a past time, so you should use verb to.
Sorry, the mic is not okay.
Okay. Past two, and instead of you directly say they are quiet young married, itu nggak ada artinya. Kalau bisa gini aja, they married in the young age. Mereka menikah di usia muda.
Okay.
And they choose to live. Nah, karena kita nggak bisa bedain, choose itu sama aja. Kalau di speaking sama aja. Jadi jangan lupa choose-nya kalau misalkan di
choose-chosen kan 3
ya. Choose-nya pakai verb 2 ya, jangan lupa. Karena emang kalau di speaking nggak bisa membedakan ini choose verb 1, verb 2. Jadi bersyukur untuk yang choose. Gitu. And Miss jangan ragu kalau bicara. I think you are great to speak, but you are still confused as well as you are afraid of something that you do not know before. Miss nggak tahu, tapi Miss tuh belum tahu apa.
I don't know.
Dan itu membuat apa ya? Nggak bisa jalan terus padahal Miss punya kemampuan. You have skills.
Yeah, I know that my weakness, so I joined this class. I mean, I hope I can overcome this problem.
Ya, nyoba ini aja.
I don't know. I just can't find the right words. Like, okay.
Tadi, ya, Miss udah find your another word as well as you feel confident enough. Tapi ada beberapa session memang Miss itu ragu dengan apa yang Miss katakan. Jangan ragu di sini ya. Kalau speaking, don't doubt yourself. Karena itu, that's why itu akan menentukan speaking skills Miss itu berjalan apa tidak, gitu. Tadi udah ini, kalau saya lihat di prioritas yang kemarin, Miss udah ngomong nih. Di tengah jalan, Miss nanti ini, Miss nanti nggak apa ya Pak Mi, saya belum bisa nggak apa ya, terus dilanjutkan lagi. Udah jangan di tengah jalan tuh udah jangan berpikir aduh nanti ini deh, nanti ini jangan dulu gitu. Udah jalan lurus saja gitu. Di prioritas kemarin.
I think if I don't do that, I will just silence all time because I cannot find the word. I don't know how to say. I can't find the words. That's why like it took time for me to think. Okay, what should I say? No, I don't know. Yeah. That's why.
Yeah, therefore.
That's why I chose to. Oh, what's again? What's that? Okay.
Yeah. Therefore, I prefer to give you a time to prepare. Jadi itu untuk ini, setelah itu ngomong apa nih poin-poinnya kayak gitu. Kemarin saya beri waktu berapa ya? Maghrib lah saya suruh ini kemarin tuh kan, saya suruh ngirim kalau bisa. Nah itu waktu itu kalau bisa di ini,
Sorry.
iya.
Uh,
Di-
Before it, you say that we can collect the homework maybe in Thursday or Friday. It's okay.
Oh,
So
yeah.
yeah, it's yeah. I know it's just my excuses, but yeah, I just go home in that time. So I think it's a time to me to rest before I continue
You forgot?
this session. So yeah, that's why I don't forget about the homework. I prepare for that, but maybe I will collect it. You said that it's okay to collect it in Thursday or Friday. It's okay. Not in the not now. It's okay. So that's why I'm not done yet. That's why. So, and if after Maghrib, before the session, it's for me to take a rest after work hour. That's why I miss. Okay, it sounds like an excuses, but yeah, I hope you can understand.
Iya, karena gini, biasanya resikonya kalau kursus, ya ini,
Yeah,
penegasan dan penekanan. Bahkan dulu tuh juga gitu, saya kursus gitu, penekanan dulu ditekan. Nah, kalau udah ini terbiasa gitu. Jadi ada memang beberapa konsep yang memang ada beberapa khususan yang memang konsepnya ditekan dulu siswanya, ada juga yang fun. Tergantung purpose masing-masing. Bahkan kalau purpose-nya cuma belajar bisik hanya untuk main-main aja, biasanya malah fun-fun aja. Bermain, only play. Maksudnya play itu tetap serius, tapi tetap ada game-gamenya. Tapi
but
itu
this
ya,
is not fun, yeah.
itu unclear purpose. Ibaratnya tujuannya nggak jelas. Mereka mau belajar untuk apa gitu. Nah, ada juga memang purpose-nya memang jelas nih. Saya juga pengen improve nih untuk ini gitu. Jadi harus ini jelas dulu gitu. Makanya kemarin purpose itu penting karena itu tergantung dengan ini niat kita gitu. Biar apa yang menjadi tujuan kita udah tercapai gitu.
Okay, I see.
Oke, the next ini Miss Fitri, Miss Nur, maaf, ganti nama.
Yeah, because this is the office laptop, so I choose this name.
Nih, which one do you choose? Tetragon, triangle, circle, star, heart form, or trapezoid.
Why the heart form in black?
Biar nggak baper.
I mean, I love the shape, but the color is so dark. Like real. Maybe just star. I love orange. Star. Okay, then I choose star.
Star ya.
Yes.
Star number 4. Nih, how people organize their home. How people organize their time to work.
Oh my God, it's like
how people organize their time to work.
How?
At least you should speak.
How people organize time for work?
Yeah. At least
how people organize
time to work.
Organize time for work. Okay. To work. So, I'll start it now?
Yeah.
Okay, start. How people organize time for work. Maybe it's there's some way to organize time. I personally prefer writing down my to-do list, like making a bullet journal in the morning. So when I wake up after praying, and then free time after wake up in the morning, I start to write to-do list for today. Not many of that, just maybe just 4 or 6 tasks in a day that I should done. And then besides of that, I organize it in the the urgent and then not urgent one. And besides, I choose to writing some besides the to-do list. I organize time for work with alarm or Google, or write it down in Google Calendar, so I can manage what should I do in that day, or for weeks what should I do in a weeks, and then what else? And then if at the end of the day I will check the to-do list and which one that I finished in the day and which one that I can move to the other day. So yeah, maybe if that's not that important, I will move it to another day. So it's basically conditional, but what I've write it down in the morning, I should finish it if I can. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much. 2 minutes lebih 5 detik.
Oh really? I thought itu 1 minute.
Nah, congratulations, sangat fluent untuk yang topik ini karena memang tentang lifestyle miss, tentang habit miss. Itulah yang membuat we can get fluent if we appropriate with this topic. Therefore, kemarin saya memang ada list-list tertentu topik-topik yang memang mungkin sulit bagi Miss. Dan Miss menganggapnya itu akademik. Oke, bisa, itu akademik, oleh gitu kan. Tapi kenapa saya pilih topik itu? Kita bisa get fluent selain kita know about vocabularies as well as the grammar, karena kita tahu vocab atau hal-hal yang tentang di luar ilmu kita gitu. Tadi sangat fluent sekali dan I like it.
Thank you.
Your way to arrange your time is that you should do your list in Google Calendar ya.
Google Calendar.
Google Calendar.
There's a lot of things to do, so I should. Yeah,
sama aja sama dengan saya. Jadi kalau bisa ini di chat room Miss bisa dilihat. Tadi bilang I should done pakai be Miss. I should be done. Saya harus selesaikan itu gitu. Itu aja sih. Belum ada yang untuk grammar. Karena Miss lancar yang nomor 4 yang star. Congratulations. Okay, the next. Which one do you choose?
Thank you. Oh, I should choose this again?
Of course.
Oh, I forget the question. Okay, I should.
Of course lah. Let's go choose.
Oh my God, it's black. Yeah, hard form, Miss.
Hard form.
Hard form.
Yeah, number 5. Please describe about youngster lifestyle. Okay, describe about youngsters lifestyle.
Oh my God. Okay, what is youngsters lifestyle nowadays? Because I honestly an old soul. Like youngsters lifestyle.
You are still young.
What's kids' lifestyle nowadays? Yeah, I'm young. Okay. What's the question again? Sorry.
Describe about youngsters life. Kehidupan para pemuda.
Youngsters. Yes, youngsters. Kaula muda ya. Youngsters lifestyle. Okay. I'm trying to describe youngsters lifestyle as good as I can. Okay, starting now. So nowadays youngsters has a lot of lifestyle I think. I mean, because technology, and one of them is hang out in the cafe with their friends, wasting time. I think no, spending time with their friends and talking and to do nothing, just talking each other and talking in the Instagrammable place like cafe and so on. And they like to gather in the group and trying to catch up the trend like from social media. I think they're prefer doing IG story or update status in Instagram, social media, and take a photo where they gather with their friends. And so I think it looks fake, but yeah, they look close. They look close. And what else? The youngsters nowadays are afraid to FOMO, to fear of missing out. So they will be up to date with the latest trend. So they don't want to they don't want to living out or live on. I don't know. And what else? Youngsters. Oh, besides, I think the Gen Zs nowadays love photography and videography too. Take a videos and photograph in a group in the nice place, so they can show the world that their life is okay, whether it's not that okay. I know. That's it. I think.
Okay, thank you. 2 minutes.
Hanging out. Okay, thank you.
2 minutes 18 seconds. Okay, for Miss Nur, this one you may open your chat room, and
Yes.
this one, youngster, if you say youngsters with S, it means have. However, if you say youngster without S, it could be has.
Oh, okay.
And if you say nowadays, you often say that one. Nowadays, kalau misalkan bilang nowadays, berarti kalau bisa, ibaratnya nowadays zaman sekarang banyak pemuda-pemudi kayak gini. Nah, kalau bisa di-compare Miss lebih, you can expand your answer, your speaking by compare it. Ada banyak sebenarnya the way to expand your speaking by comparison, dengan perbandingan. Nowadays, youngster prefer to go hang out with their friend, with their colleagues in a mall, rather than helping their mother. Meanwhile, in the past, youngster prefer to stay at home to help their mother, rather than going to traditional market to go shopping. Misalnya kayak gitu. Jadi kalau maksudnya lebih tinggi tingkatannya, itu comparison gitu, di compare gitu. Kalau lebih mau mengextend your speaking, karena ntar ada tingkatannya. Kalau misalkan ada nih cuma cerita dari awal dengan akhir tanpa adanya comparison, itu berarti kualitasnya biasa. Kalau udah comparison udah tinggi lagi gitu. Kalau ini Miss juga, you frequently use after subject langsung verb ing. Sering Miss menggunakan kayak gitu.
Yeah.
Subject misalkan they langsung spending. Nah, ini teman-teman juga gitu. I often find teman-teman kalau setelah subject langsung verb ing, itu yang salah. Kalau bisa langsung without ing, karena spending itu bukan verb. Bisa kalau pakai auxiliaries, jadinya they are spending. gitu. Pun juga kayak gini, they hanging out. Bisa pakai they go hanging out atau they are hanging out. Kayak gitu. Itu aja. But overall, you can do your best based on your story, the way youngsters manage their lifestyle recently. Okay, again, one again. Which one we choose?
Again? What else? I think the tetragon.
Number 1.
The tetragon. Number 1.
What website do you like?
Oh, what website I like? Website, yeah. Website.
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you ready?
Website? But what kind of website? Oh. Wait, miss ya. Okay. Okay, ready. What's the question?
Okay. What website do you like?
What website that I like? What website that I like? Honestly, I don't remember that I opened some website, but I think I prefer the film website or the website that explain about pop culture or language, that is. But sometimes I read some news from theguardian.com, I think, just want to know about the latest update news. But honestly, although I don't really understand, but I just want to read some news in English, so I use that website. Besides, I often open the film website to find my favorite film that I update. And sometimes I should waiting for it, so maybe for a month or for some weeks to get my film that I looking for in that website. So yeah, after that I will download the film from that. Oh, it sounds illegal, but and then what else? But every day I open the website about my work, because I work in website agency, so I open website every day. Mostly it's about some product for home or even healthy service. So I examine. Oh, I check the website to find the error, the thing that we should fix in that website. So yeah, I open the website every day.
Okay.
Website.
Thank you.
Yeah.
2 minutes again. Berarti Miss udah ini ya, you can predict how many time you should speak. Udah bisa mempredik kalau ini 2 menit ya. Karena mostly kalau Miss tadi bicara udah 2 menit. Wait.
Oh, I don't know. I just lost word. I just don't know how to continue. So yeah, I stop. I should wait.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Tadi bilang Miss I should waiting gitu. Supposed to be I should wait.
I should wait for.
Okay, any question before we ended our class? And I give you information.
What?
You may
Sorry?
open the calendar.
Calendar?
Yeah,
Where's the calendar?
you may open your calendar.
Oh, calendar. Sorry.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
this one is
What?
Saturday.
This Saturday?
No, Saturday and Sunday we have class because di minggu ketiga kita tidak akan ada kelas karena I have I have a project, so I can't handle. Jadi ada penggantinya. Jadi 2 hari tanggal 12-13 ini kita ganti. Kan 2 nih, 2 pertemuan. Terus ditambah 1 pertemuan lagi di bulan Juli, 4 Juli. For July. Kayak gitu.
For July.
Kalau
So,
you have any
this
activity?
Saturday?
Yeah, Saturday. Do you have any activities? If you have any activities, I will interchange. Saya akan ubah lagi.
Maybe I'll inform you later because I usually have no plan in the weekend, but who knows?
Okay.
But it's not. No, Saturday, 3 and 4 July.
No, 4 July only.
Can you hear my voice?
Jadi,
for July.
Ya, jadi ya tanggal this week Sabtu, Saturday and Sunday only jam 8 tetap sama. And penambahan yang 1 harinya adalah 4 July. Yeah, you should determine.
Yeah, just check.
Yeah, check it out again. And please inform Miss Mela. I'm afraid of if I forget to inform Miss Mela.
Okay.
Any questions so far? Any question?
Spontaneously.
Any question?
Yeah. Can you give me suggestion? Yeah. Can you give me advice or suggestion?
For?
Or maybe recommend something like, oh, you should watch this, or you should read this book, or
I think it's you have already watched the video about English.
Yeah, I know, but maybe you have another one that I don't know.
Oh, I have many actually. I want to know
so
you.
I can try to choose. Oh, maybe this is will suitable for me. She's still looking for the right sources.
Please find the video that you enjoy to watch. Itu aja. The important thing that. Itu aja. Did you enjoy? You feel joy to watch, to listen.
Okay, yeah.
Itu aja, the enjoy one. Karena if I give you some of website, let's say YouTube channel, some of YouTube channel that you don't want, karena berbau ini akademik mungkin atau bosan, boring. Nah itu.
Oh, Miss prefer academy ya?
Yeah, I prefer. Yeah, I want to continue my master actually. Therefore, yeah, my website related on academic. But I prefer to watch some of videos that is tell about, you know, Darman videos. Darman.
German?
Darman
What
videos.
is that? Sorry. German.
Yeah.
Can you type it? Type it down.
Okay.
German.
Yeah.
It's, I don't know.
Darman.
German. I never know that.
Nah, this video.
Oh, Darman.
Yeah.
Darman. Okay.
Can you find? The video only focus on the way to undertake something that consists of wisdom as well as moral failure.
Okay.
Have you found?
Yeah. I find it. Yes, I found it. This man, right? Darman. Mission-driven entrepreneur with 46 million social media.
Yeah. I enjoy.
Darman.
Yeah, I enjoy
Is that
watching
right?
videos.
Oh,
Ini
yeah.
yang not non-academic.
Oh, it's like a podcast.
Not
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Nah.
Thank you for the recommendation.
People are more likely to watch TED Talk. Bisa juga TED Talk. I think it's you who are familiar with. Yeah, TED
Yeah, I
Talk.
think.
Gitu.
TED Talk. Yeah, interesting.
But academic.
Yes.
But I think it's the content not only for academic.
But sometimes I just enjoy the accent actually. Honestly, I watch it TED Talk just looking for to listen their accent, which is good and cool.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, it's maybe I think it's enough.
Don't forget.
Yeah.
Do your homework.
The task. Yeah, I'll do, miss.
Okay, any question again?
I think it's enough.
Okay, thank you very much, and that's all for today. If you have any question for me, just let me know. You can ask privately. Feel free for you. Thank you very much. Let's be together to end our class. Let's begin. Okay, that's all for today, and see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow at Saturday if you all have time.
Tomorrow Saturday.
Yeah.
This Saturday.
Yeah.
Okay, Saturday.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.